Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 49. So, dear children, as you know that in previous video, we have seen that the Robinson said that at that night when he watched that footprint, so he was not able to sleep, okay, because of the fear. He was not able to sleep, and he was very frightened and he was very scared, and he was thinking that the footprint may be of any savage come from the mainland who could have come to see his boat, okay. So he was thinking that that when that savage came on that seashore, and I was very lucky that I was not there at that time, okay, because he didn't seen my boat. And what if he had seen my boat, and he may have come with his friends to find me, and they could have killed me, okay. So it was his fear. And eat me also, they will have eat me, because they were the savage who lived in the forest, and they are the man-eater, okay. So he thought that only savages come, so he could find me and he could eat me and he could kill me, okay. So that was the fear of the Robinson Crusoe, okay. So let's see what happened next. So I did not sleep at that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Okay, so what happened? Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time. But what if what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. Okay, so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection in doing so, and I was much comforted the begin going to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Okay, so dear children, the Robinson Crusoe was saying that for many days he was afraid for many days, and he was just prayed to God for his protection. Okay, he was just prayed to God for his protection. And but after some time, after some day, when he got panic, then he thought that he should go there. Okay, so and so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me. I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. So what he think? He just thought that he should go there once again to the shore and check that footprints once again, and he should check it with his own footprints also, because it might be his own footprints. Okay, so he was thinking that in some days his fear gets control, and he was now can comfortable. Okay, so after that what he did, he was now can comfortable, so he decided to go there once again. So dear children, what Robinson Crusoe decided? The first of all, when he was saying that for many days he was afraid, and he was just prayed to God for protection. Okay, but after some day when he got panic, okay, then he thought that he should go there once again. Okay, because he just thinking about that again and again. He just thinking about that footprint again and again. Okay, and many kind of fear and frightened, and many kind of dangerous thought had come to his mind. Okay, had coming to his mind again and again, and it gets more frightened to him. Okay, it so but after some time, when he realized that nothing is happened, nobody is coming to him. Okay, nobody came to him. So then he just became so very you can say the comfortable. So he should go there once again to the shore and check that footprints once again, and he should check it with his own footprints also. Okay, it may be his own footprints. Okay, so because it might be his own footprints, so he was thinking that in some days his fear gets control. Okay, after some days he thought that his fear gets control, and he was now comfortable, okay, to go outside. So he decided to go directly to that shore, so that he can investigate again. He could investigate that footprints, so whether it was the footprint of savages, or it might be his own footprint. Okay, so in this type he was just started thinking and thinking over and over again. And but when he get comfortable, okay, when he get little you can say the little comfortable, and his fear gets control, so he decided to go there once again. Okay, so dear children, as you know that we are learning the story of Robinson Crusoe. As you know that he was there on that island for many years. Okay, but one day when he saw one footprint beside his old boat, and so then from that day his fear started. He just started frightening. Okay, and he just hide inside his leg, inside his cave. Okay, and from that day he was just thinking, and when his fear gets in control, then when he gets comfortable, then he decided to go that site again to investigate the footprint. Okay, so dear children, I think this is it for this story. Okay, I will tell you the remaining story at tomorrow's video. Okay, I hope you are understanding this story. If you have any problem regarding to this story, you can ask me anytime. So dear children, till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.